Wow, we really need rain, people. Big time. You can tell some of the grass is going brown out here. We've been getting lack of rain here where I'm at, here in Michigan. Haven't been really getting what we're supposed to. Some areas we'll get and some won't. Or we'll just get a little bit and that's it. Very weird. Very uncommon too. We got a little bit last night and that was it. I was back being sunny and beautiful. Well, yeah, we had a cool front come in. But we're supposed to have another cool front coming in for next week also. Yeah, look at how brown our grass is getting here in Michigan. It's probably going to have to do a rain dance.